In this video, I'll show you how to set up Yoast SEO for your WordPress site to improve search engine rankings and attract more organic traffic. Start by installing and activating the Yoast SEO plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, click Add New, search for Yoast SEO, then install and activate. Once activated, a new SEO menu will appear in your dashboard sidebar, which is where you'll manage all your Yoast settings. Next, run the configuration wizard. Go to SEO, then General, and start the setup wizard. It will guide you through the essential steps, starting with optimizing your SEO data so your site is properly crawled by search engines. You will then define your site as a personal blog or an organization. For organizations, add details like your business name, logo, and social media links. Set visibility for different content types to decide which pages should be indexed. Configure author archives depending on whether your site has multiple authors to avoid duplicate content issues. Finally, you can choose to enable analytics and tracking for insights into your site's performance, or skip this step if you prefer. And that's it. With these steps, Yoast SEO is set up on your site, giving you a strong foundation for ongoing optimization. Keep refining your content, and Yoast will help you maximize your visibility on search engines